kind of a complex side, but let's break it down just to a few areas here, and we don't have the time to touch on all topics. But when you take a design department and what to build, you're building that engineering BOM, the EBOM, which pulls data from maybe a CAD drawing, right? So you're building the CAD BOM within that engineering BOM. You're pulling in design for manufacturing characteristics, quality planning into consideration, and any engineering change requests. Then if you go back to the manufacturing and how to build it for the MBOM or manufacturing BOM, you're starting the process planning. And there in the process planning, you're pulling in the necessary materials from your ERP. So your ERP will hold some of that master data, therefore inventory levels, and you start to break that into, or bring that into your manufacturing BOM. And we'll talk about why a manufacturing BOM should live in a PLM versus an ERP here in a second. Once you have the EBOM and MBOM and even the BOE, the bill of equipment, then we can start to build the bill of process. And that is the execution side. So when and where to build it. As built, it'll get you a routing, it'll start to build the work instruction plan, and then any inspection plans that need to happen. So you're carrying out the quality plan with the quality assurance and execution aspects of it. So quality checks along the way, work instructions, this is where you're getting down into torque specs, anything step-by-step instructions that an operator on the shop floor needs to follow.